Well, hello there, and welcome back to another vlog here today. Yes, it is daytime right now, although it does not look like it. I am smiling from ear to ear right now because it is 5 in the morning, and I'm at Six Flags Over Georgia, literally by myself in Gotham City right now, because I'm here for a special preview media event where they're going to film me and my reaction on Mindbender at 5 in the morning. Look at this. Nobody's at the park at all. Besides, you know, personnel, media people, Six Flags people, all that stuff. They're super kind, amazing people. Shout out to them, all the wonderful, kind people that I met and spoke with. Shout out to y'all. Y'all are amazing. Hopefully I can continue bringing this energy at 5 in the morning. Somehow I'm doing it because of you guys made this all possible, and thank you so much. This is long-winded, but I have to say, thank you so much to Six Flags and Six Flags Over Georgia for inviting me out here. Again, to the Passholder family, it's all thanks to you for making this happen, watching my content, believing in me, and we're here. We're here making this happen in Gotham City at Six Flags Over Georgia at 5 in the morning. Thanks to you all. Thank you so much. With that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. The really cool thing about being here, it's so quiet. It's so quiet. No rides are operating, but you can see Catwoman Whip just sitting here all beautiful. Man, this is just really cool to just see all this stuff right here. They just have me waiting until they're finished setting up all the stuff for the coaster and what they need to do. So let them take their time. But look how beautiful Catwoman Whip looks right now. So amazing. I really hope soon, as I'm just giving you guys a little tour while I'm here, I'm hoping soon that we get something with this. Now, I don't believe we're going to get a haunted house this year in here, but hopefully something soon, because we were going to get a dive show last year until, you know, the pandemic started, but hey, it's okay. Restrooms right there, of course, for those who don't know, all well lit up that you can see. Batman queue right there. Super amazing that, you know, we can be here at this hour. Now, I'm still wondering, why don't we have the Batmobile right there? We need it. We need it. It's here at the park, but it's just somewhere special, hopefully soon. But just crazy to see all this, the locker system right there. It is 5 in the morning and I'm at the park by myself. So crazy. So crazy. Then I just have to look up. Look at the beautiful track work of Mindbender right there with the dew on the coaster track. Oh, it's so beautiful this early in the morning. I love it so much. And then you have, of course, Harley Quinn, and then more Mindbender track. And it's, look at the beautiful lighting pack. It's just glowing and glistening on DC Supervillain swing. Super amazing. Ah, man, this is epic.
This is your captain speaking. Please return to your seats. We will be experiencing turbulence.
Mindbender at 5 in the morning, or 5:30-ish. Got a couple of people with me here. It is dark, getting a night ride, early morning ride right now. Super excited to make this happen. Let's do it. I love this coaster so much. I'm glad it's back. Such a great addition to the park. It truly is. Woo, going up right now. Ready for these forces to hit our body. I'm super excited. This is the way to start the day. The best coffee that you can have, period. Let's do it, guys. Woohoo! Oh man, you can't see anything right now. I love this so much. We're almost at the top. I am ready for this. Oh man. Arms up! Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Dreams do come true! Woo! Here we go! Oh! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, and she's running green too! Oh, here we go! Here we go! Oh my goodness! My favorite part! Oh my goodness! Those forces are no joke! Woo! Yeah! Oh man! that night ride, early morning ride was intense. That was epic. Like truly, truly. I love that it's back here at the park open. I can't wait for everybody to experience. So epic. Wow. All right, so we have some terrible fun that's about to take place. I have a zombie here with me riding Mindbender. I don't know how this happened, but all I know, we're on Mindbender. We have Fright Fest that's about to happen. We're gonna have a terribly good time. All the frights, all the thrills, they're all here at Six Flags Over Georgia. I'm ready. Oh my goodness, there's here. All the thrills, all the villains are back, along with the zombies, the clowns. I'm ready. Woohoo! We're at the top, arms up. Here we go. Woohoo! Let's try not to get zombified. Woohoo! And here we go. Woohoo! Oh my goodness! Hopefully the zombie doesn't lose his arms. The zombie almost lost an arm. These forces are incredible. Here we go. My favorite part. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh, she's cooking now. The coaster's getting warm up at 5 something in the morning. Oh my. Zombie, what did you do? What did you do? The fear element! Get me off this thing, the zombies got me! The thrills in the dark with the zombie and a scary clown. Just in time for Fright Fest. Incredible, intense. All right, so I just got off a Mindbender. I'm kind of whispering because they're kind of doing some audio work right around here, but this is so nice. Oh man, to get on this at this hour, it's still dark out here. Probably about 6 a.m. right now, but all the crew, everything is amazing. So you can see this flashing right here. That is a giant drone that they had filming, and they have filming for this media event on top of a rig set up on the coaster in the front. Such an amazing experience. Got to ride with a zombie and a scary clown and some other amazing guests and crew. It was truly epic. I'm smiling from ear to ear, but wow, I truly enjoyed my experience. They were so hospitable and just so caring. I just love my experience, but I'm gonna walk back around here. I don't know what to say. It's just amazing, just the reach we have now. We just reached 3,000 subscribers, and just I'm just in awe right now. I'm just truly in awe. Just thank you guys so much. So they had the coaster going around right now with some personnel. You got the drone flying in the air right now, recording them from an aerial perspective. That's so crazy to see, because you need like clearance to fly drones around here because there's an airport nearby. So really cool to see this happen in person. So I'm by the photo place underneath the track, a Mindbender. Then it's gonna come around soon. I heard it just break, and then it's going to drop down. The drop, there it goes. I hear it right now. All right, so we're gonna see it come around soon as it finishes the coursing. It's so crazy to see. Here we go. Here's the finale, the end. There we go. Epic ride right there with the rig in the front with the bright light in your face with the camera that you guys can see. Oh man, super epic that they had me out here. Oh man, that was incredible. Sorry for the weird cut. They called for me after I was showing you guys around. They called for me to get on there as a media personnel to film my reaction on it. It was really incredible, really intense. So I was glad I can make that happen. It is 5:56 in the morning right now. They had me at the media holding area, which is right here, and Birds of Prey Cafe that you guys can see there. But again, look at the lighting package for the DC supervillain swing. I would love to get on that at this hour. Just amazing out here with the just views, the atmosphere. It is kind of eerie, but it's very nice to just have a park to myself right now. Incredible. Gotta ride the villain, gotta ride Riddler, Mindbender, super epic. Then also you can see the step and repeat that is right here that you all can experience. I'm not sure, it should be here, but hopefully, if not, you guys can live through it with me vicariously through the vlog. But I got it right here. I want to say, as I'm walking through where the old stunt show used to be located, I'm walking straight on through here. It's really cool. You can see all the entrances right there through the tunnels. Incredible. Got the Joker Chaos Coaster right there as well. So I'm walking through here as I'm exiting out the park. But I want to say, guys, why is there a random bench right here? Just a random bench right here. That's not what I wanted to say. But I wanted to say again, thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure. Thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for Six Flags for inviting me out, Six Flags over Georgia, for inviting me out for this, for making this happen. Let me get in better light facing this way. But thank you all so much for the Passholder family, for the continuous and amazing epic support through everything that I've been through, for just the channel growing. Let's reach higher and higher as I try and pass on to you all. Every day is amazing, good vibes only, positive vibes only. It'll always be okay as long as you keep trying. Just good vibes only. That is the message of this channel and what I always try and pass on to you all. Thank you guys so much for everything, for making this happen, to be able to do this for you all, to be able to be invited super early. But I love it, and I wouldn't trade it or change it for the world. Let's keep on chasing our goals, our dreams, our expectations, and let's keep aiming higher and higher. Together, unity. Let's do it. But guys, thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure. Gonna be back for more Mindbender action, more Fright Fest thrills, and so much more content here on the channel to come. Again, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Till my next video, my next adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.